जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 80ನೇ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Good morning all. Now it is our proud privilege to welcome and honor our respected chief guest whose gracious presence has made this celebration truly memorable. We are deeply grateful for their valuable time and encouragement. We request each our honorable guest to kindly come forward and accept our heartfelt welcome and a token of respect. Welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Ashwin Kumar GM, CSR Baldota. A visionary leader committed to the community development and a social responsibility. We warmly welcome and honor Mr. Ashwin Kumar with a great respect and gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our distinguished chief guest with a big round of applause. Nazimuddin, CEO Munir Group, a dynamic leader known for his dedication and excellence. We extend our heartfelt welcome and honor to Mr. Syed Nazimuddin. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our distinguished chief guest with a big round of applause. Ms. Munni Qasim, Councillor, CMC Hospital, a dedicated public representative committed to serving society. We are honored to welcome